Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Creativity with Vedant. I am Vedant and in today's video, we are going to make something very special. So as you know, Raksha Bandhan is on 21st August. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to make three types of Rakhis. The first one is this Rakhi, which is for adults and teenagers. It would look very nice on their hands. The second Rakhi is this one. This is the same, but we have attached a ribbon on it instead of the thread. And the third one is this small rakhi. This is for small kids and kids below the age of 10. So in this video, we are going to learn how to make three types of rakhis. These rakhis look very good on your hand, and trust me, you can use them on Raksha Bandhan as well. So in today's video, we are going to make three types of rakhis, and to make these types of rakhis, you will be requiring these materials. So guys, now first to start with our first type of rakhi. So we are going to make, basically in this video we are going to make two types of rakhis. One will be made with a thread and the other one will be made with this ribbon. So first we are going to take this glitter paper in. So I cut this small piece of glitter paper out from a big piece of glitter paper sheet. Now I have this. Now we'll keep this down. And now I have some of these decoration materials like these. So you can use any other decoration materials you have at home. So we have these, so we can keep these over here. And I have this over here and a flower like decoration material over here as well. Now we are going to use these materials to create a layout something like this. We are going to place this in the middle. On top of this we are going to place our flower, and on top of and in the border over here we are going to place these, so that even if your circle is not round enough, you may cover that up with these small beads. So we are going to stick this all up, and then I have this red ball over here which we are going to stick it in the middle over here. You can put anything else over here as well. And after we have sticked everything over here, we are going to stick this whole piece on top of our thread, and we are going to make two of these. So we'll stick one on the top of the thread and the second one we are going to stick on top of our ribbon. So first let's stick these outer layers, and then we'll stick the middle one. So guys, now we have stick the outer layer. It is not properly sticked yet, but during the video it will get sticked properly. Now the next thing what are we going to do is, we are going to stick this part over here in the middle, and on top of this we are going to stick this flower, and in that flower we are going to just place this small bead so that it looks nice. And as you can see, now our rakhi will take shape, and once we attach this on a ribbon or a thread, it will look even more better. So first let's stick the flower and its base, and then we are going to stick it on the thread. So first let's do that. So guys, now as you can see, I have just finished sticking this base and the flower on top, and now our rakhi is looking kind of ready. The next thing what are we going to do is, we are going to stick this on the thread. But before doing that, because we are making two types of rakhis, one with the thread and one with the ribbon, so we have to make the same copy over here as well. I have cut out two of these. So we are going to make two of these. So first let's make this as well, and then we are going to stick it on top of our threads and ribbons. So guys, now this second Rakhi is also ready as well, and as you can see, now both the Rakhis are looking very nice, and I'm sure that they will look even more nice on the thread and the ribbon on which we are going to stick them. So for the first Rakhi, which is over here, we are going to stick it on the thread. So I have chosen a red thread over here. You can choose any other thread that is available with you, but our Rakhi is going to come somewhere in between here. So I'm going to cut this a little bit, and I'm planning to stick our Rakhi somewhat over here, and then this is the end over here, and we are going to just align it properly and then cut it. So first we are going to stick it with Fevicol on the back over here, and once we stick it with Fevicol, to make it firmly stick, we are also going to,
ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
For it to get firmly sticked on the back, we are also going to apply some of this masking tape over there so that it gets firmly sticked. And even after that, if you want, you can add a strip of paper and then stick it properly on this thread. So first let's stick this on top of over here. So guys, now I have sticked the thread over here as well, and now our finally the first Rakhi is ready. Now if I put it on my hand, you may get an idea of how it would look after putting on someone's hand. It looks very nice in person, and in the video also it is looking very nice. Now moving on to our second Rakhi. On the second Rakhi, instead of using this thread over here, I have used the ribbon. So first let's keep this Rakhi over here, and now let's bring the second Rakhi over here. In this second Rakhi, I just used this ribbon over here. I had this ribbon, and this is the Rakhi which I sticked in between. And this Rakhi also looks nice on my hand. In person, this also looks very nice. But if you have a better color ribbon than this, it would look even more better. With this colored ribbon, it is also looking nice, but not very nice. And now I have one more Rakhi to show. So first let's bring that. So I have this small Rakhi over here as well. So as you can see, this is very small and very cute. And of course, this is going to look very small on my hand. But if you have a small kid at home, you can make this Rakhi and make him wear this Rakhi on Raksha Bandhan. So, as you know, Raksha Bandhan is on 21st. So these are the 2-3 Rakhis we learned to make today. So the first one is this. It is very simple, and if you have all the materials with you, you can basically make it under 10 minutes. This is also the same, but we instead used a ribbon over here. And this Rakhi is so simple. If you have all the materials present with you, you can even make it under 4 minutes. And with this, and with everything sticking properly, you can make this Rakhi in 10 minutes. Now you can tell me in the comment section which Rakhi did you like the most. And this is how to make 3 types of Rakhis. So if you liked how to make different types of Rakhis, make sure to hit the like button. After liking, share this video with your friends and family and the people who know, and the people who you know would make these Rakhis. And after sharing this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and after subscribing, make sure to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.